is the JFF finally picking up what I've been putting down for the past year, 2 years? People, what's going on? This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel, fam. You're watching the fourth official. Please, as soon as you reach, drop a like on the video and subscribe for brand new. Very cheap, economical. Right down there, subscribe. Thank you. Reggae Boys won last night. 4-1. A very, very decent win. However, there were parts in that game that we need to talk about. Now, I'm not going to talk about this very long. And I know that there's a lot of people that might be talking about it as well. But if we are going to be a powerhouse in CONCACAF, we need to start winning these type of games. But we need to start winning them significantly. Dominant. And we're not seeing that yesterday. We didn't see that yesterday. What we saw was Jamaica fighting Grenada to get that 4-1 win. Yes, we got 2 late goals. Yes, you can see that we dominate the ball for spurts for the major part of the games. But there were times where Granada was pressing us, and they were pressing us very hard, very good. They were winning the ball in the midfield and around the midfield and just keep pressing us. They didn't have a lot of quality per se, but still, they had people from QPR in their teams. So they had high quality players in the team, but they couldn't convert certain opportunities. That's exactly why a game ended 4-1. That needs to change. We had almost the best team that we could present this last game, and we were dominant in spurts, yes, and the scoreline showed that we were dominant. But the game itself, when you watch it, you can see that there were periods where Granada had 15-20 minutes after pressing us on the ball in the first half and in the second half. We can't have that as a team that is looking to go up against Mexico, Canada, and USA. We need to do better. We definitely need to do better. We're moving on to the next round, quarterfinals of the Nations League. Hallelujah. But we need to do better. We definitely need to do better. Let's talk about the meat of the matter. Let's talk about the purpose of this video. And that is, there's rumors going around that Mason Greenwood might be open to changing his international status from England to Jamaica. And there's also rumors going around that the JFF is inquiring about getting him over to Jamaica. We don't know his links, his father's auntie, I don't know, wherever. But first thing I want to say is we should have been doing this since day one. Yes, we knew that he had one cap for England. That's well and done. We know about his situation with Manchester United, with the English media, with England and all. He will never play for England ever again. This should have been the opportunity. This should have been you had the opportunity right now, JFF, to call Mason Greenwood from last year, the year before. Find out if he's okay. Find out what you need to do to get his paperwork done and ready. So when he's back, not like he's now scoring for Getafe. He's playing for Getafe every game. Now that he's back playing football, we as Jamaicans, home and abroad, want to see him in the team. Bring him in, play some friendly games, get his passport out and ready, so he can play in the Nations League, he can play in the Gold Cup, he can play the qualifiers. Because at the end of the day, we need the best of the best to play for us. I'm not going to lie, Mason Greenwood is the best of the best in terms of his age group. And he's only going to get better and better. After he get past this patch of lowering confidence, building up himself, bringing up his confidence again, he will be the striker he is meant to be. Now, he started off as a striker at Manchester United, moved to the wing when he joined the senior team, and he played well on the right side of the midfield, the right winger. His left foot is absolutely lethal. We have Liam Bailey on the right side already. So what can we do? Push him in the middle, because his right foot is also lethal. And you can see that there's evidence in the games that he played for the senior team and for the academy as well. He's absolutely lethal on the left and the right. If he builds himself up, builds up his strength, and can hold on to the ball when you put it when he's back to goal, he will be absolutely deadly, because he can run in from behind as well. People, trust me, we will be getting a gem if Mr. Greenwood signs on that deadline. We just need him to start do the work. JFF, call the man. Call the blood clot, man.
Not different from all coaches in the world. I think we would like to have the best talent on our team. If he gets his former fitness at his former level, for sure, he will have that level to help Jamaica. And all coaches would like to have good players in their team. So we are not any different from other coaches. Yeah, for sure, he has some baggage. But I think it's premature to be talking about a player not here. We'd like to focus on now our games against Haiti and Grenada with the players that we have selected. Whatever happened will happen.
Now, Coach H said that he wants the best. And as a young player, he's trying to build himself up. And because he had the issues in England, he's back playing with Getafe. And you can tell that he loves the idea of having Mason Greenwood on the team. So let's bring him in. Play a couple games, and you will see how great this man is and how great he will be. Please remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.